I've been investing for 20 years now. It's a journey that started with hope and excitement but was paved with hard lessons. For the majority of that time, my portfolio resembled a sea of red, losses piling up one after another. It wasn't until the past few years that I finally began seeing green, and with it, a sense of validation for the patience I had recently embraced. Looking back, my biggest mistake was simple but costly. I chased trends. When a stock started gaining traction, I couldn't resist the fear of missing out. The charts would climb higher and higher, and I'd dive in without a second thought. I convinced myself that the price would keep going up indefinitely, but markets don't work that way. When the inevitable pullback came, panic would set in. The sight of red numbers made me anxious. I'd sell at a loss, thinking it was better to cut my losses than risk losing more. Then, to my dismay, the stock would recover and soar even higher, leaving me with regret and self-doubt. Year after year, the cycle repeated. Buy high, sell low, regret, repeat. My portfolio became a reflection of my impulsiveness and fear. It wasn't until a few years ago that I stumbled upon a game-changing realization. I started reading about intrinsic value, how every stock has a true worth, based on the company's earnings, growth potential, and financial health. I realized that my strategy had been backward. Instead of chasing what was hot, I needed to focus on the strongest companies, those with solid fundamentals and real value. I also learned something equally important: time. I used to think wealth came quickly, but the truth is, it's a slow, deliberate process. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about planting seeds in fertile soil, nurturing them, and giving them the time they need to grow. Now, I don't chase trends. I calculate the intrinsic value of a stock, and if it's trading at or below that value, I buy. I don't panic during pullbacks. I remind myself that strong companies can weather the storms and emerge stronger on the other side. The result? My portfolio is finally green. More importantly, I feel calm and in control. The journey taught me that investing is as much about managing emotions as it is about managing money. Patience, discipline, and understanding the true worth of what I'm buying have transformed my approach. The process hasn't just made me wealthier, it's made me wiser,